6 things beginners need to know about Solana. Today's video is your guide to one of the most impressive cryptos in 2023. Solana is where cutting-edge technology meets huge opportunity. Whether you're a curious beginner or a seasoned investor, join me as we look into the secrets of Solana's impressive comeback story. We'll start with the basics and the 6 things you need to know before you invest. Then you will find out exactly what is behind Solana's huge success in 2023. And seeing as though we're at the start of the next crypto bull market, we'll finish up with how to buy, sell, and profit safely so you can make the most of this huge opportunity. Let's kick things off with 6 things beginners really should know about Solana. Number 1, what sets Solana apart? First things first, let's understand what sets Solana apart from all the other cryptos. Solana is renowned for its fast transaction speed and low fees. Imagine a blockchain that can process thousands of transactions per second. That's Solana's main benefits, in my opinion. Number 2, Solana is a blockchain platform designed to host decentralized, scalable applications. Number 3 is consensus. Solana uses proof of stake consensus mechanism, where validators stake their cryptocurrency as collateral for the privilege of earning rewards for assisting the blockchain. Solana improves proof of stake by also implementing proof of history. Number 4, Solana's impressive ecosystem. Solana isn't just a blockchain, it's a thriving ecosystem, and many impressive projects have already been built on Solana. Products like Audius, Radiant, Star Atlas, and many more. Number 5, Solana's resilience. Solana is a legit crypto and well established in the top 10 in terms of market cap. It's also showed impressive resilience after network outages and its reported links with SBF and FTX. More of that in a bit when we reflect on Solana's success in 2023. Number 6, the team behind Solana. Natalie Yakovenko is the CEO and co-founder of Solana. I've heard a few podcasts featuring Natalie, and his knowledge of crypto is frightening. There are 5 co-founders who all have a vast knowledge of software engineering and distributed systems. What's been happening in 2023 that has led to huge gains? There's been loads of positive news about Solana in 2023, like the fact that Cathie Wood, the CEO of ARK Invest, has applauded its performance on CNBC. We all know about the demise of SBF and his exchange FTX. If you don't, then maybe look into SBF and his exchange. Let's just say that there are some really bad actors in this crypto space you need to be aware of. Their links to Solana have been seen as a huge negative, especially in late 2022. But Solana has shown impressive resilience and the price has jumped this year despite the negativity surrounding previous links to FTX. This may be due to the fact that some of the tokens from the FTX bankruptcy proceedings are either vested or locked, and there is a weekly sale limit of $100 million imposed as part of the FTX liquidation plan. Basically, the big sell-off of Solana tokens from FTX won't have too much of a negative impact on the price. There have been loads of positives for Solana, like the news back in September 2023 that Solana was partnering with Visa. This is huge and demonstrates the fact that Solana is a legit crypto worth looking into. As reported a few months ago, Visa announced it will introduce settlement of the USDC stablecoin over the Solana network. News of Firedancer has also been very positive. Solana's scaling solution, Firedancer, is seen as a long-term solution to the blockchain's once frequent outages. CEO Natalie Yakovenko has said Firedancer is aimed at increasing speed, reliability, and validator diversity. Firedancer is a high-performance validator client designed to enhance Solana's transaction processing speed to over 1 million transactions per second. If this turns out to be successful, the price of Solana will fly up, in my opinion, making investors like me very happy. These are just some of the reasons for Solana's impressive rise in 2023. Now you can get ready for the bull market. Let's look at how to buy, sell, and profit safely before you make any investment. Keep safety at the front of your mind and make sure you learn about the crypto you invest into. exactly what you're doing watching this video. When you initially buy Solana, you will do it on an exchange like Coinbase or Kraken. Make use of all the security features like 2FA. By the way, if you want me to do a more in-depth video on security, please comment below. You can either keep your Solana tokens on an exchange or send it to a cold wallet. Many investors in this space feel storing your crypto on a cold wallet is the safest way to go, but it's not for everyone. You can even buy and store your Solana on banking apps like Revolut. The next thing to consider is when to sell. By the way, if you want a video all about cash out strategies, see below in the description. We are all different and will invest in a way that is mainly based on our risk tolerance and our goals. My crypto cash out strategy is to sell 50% of my Solana tokens when Bitcoin hits $100,000. This shows I'm fairly high risk as an investor. I see this next bull market as a big opportunity for us retail investors to make game-changing money. My conviction in Bitcoin has grown and grown in recent years. Things like inflation, money printers, the mess that is the current financial system have all pushed me further towards Bitcoin. If you're not convinced, have a look into some of Michael Saylor's interviews on YouTube. This isn't necessarily the way to go, and it's definitely not financial advice. This is my cash out strategy for the upcoming bull market, based on my 7 years experience of investing in crypto and all the books I've read over the last few years. With profits made from crypto, capital gains, I will pay the tax I'm required to pay. Then I will put the rest into property. At this stage, I will reassess my options and decide on the next step in terms of cashing out and taking some crypto profit off the table. This could well make me life-changing money. I'm convinced many millionaires will be made during the next bull run. Why not me and you? I just feel anything is possible with crypto. My biggest lesson learned from the last 2 bull markets is the importance of having a cash out strategy. So remember to check out the video below, and this will help you determine a cash out strategy more suitable to you as an investor. Learn about crypto and invest what you can afford. And I really hope that crypto investing makes a positive difference to you and your financial future. For more content like this, hit the subscribe button and you will get everything I've got from my 20 years as an investor. Thanks for listening.